Hey, you're watching the Mark Stone Limited channel only on YouTube. That's right. Woo!
Just doing a bit of night scrapping, see if I can find any scrap. I'm only going to get one night scrapping in this video, but I'm trying to get early for you. Just been to pub. It's Saturday the 28th of August 2021. It's about 11:30 PM. Yeah, so see if there's any scrap about. Done a bit of scrapping. See if there's any scrap about. Then I'm gonna time to get home. Sort my backyard out, it's dark, sort a bit out. Then see what as a bit sorted out in the morning. I'll get came out for that. Yeah. It's alright when it's dark, you know, and I've got a black phone. It's taking away in dark clothes anyway. If I put my phone up to my belly, right up to my belly, I can't see the screen. But as I'm recording now, there's a bit of light, what's coming off of that, reflecting onto me. Some noise coming from this BMW. Some people think I'm just looking on one side, but I'm actually looking at both sides to see if I can see the up front. Some people with windows are open, so I have to be careful of what I say. Yeah, before I went to the pub, I collected a microwave. Somebody down my street asked, do I collect both phones? I said yes. So collected the both phone. Collected the microwave at back of somebody who ran down pick up or something. Back of their car or something. Couldn't remember what it were now. I'll walk up main road again. We don't come main road anyway. Yeah, so I'll see that in the morning. Then what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to fix one at bikes, and that's a white one. Back wheel's going, but the bearings are going. But I'm going to try it anyway, where I'm going to pull the wheel back a bit, because it is casting frame a bit. And if it's so casting frame, and it is fully back, and it's straight, bearings are gone. And I've got a spare wheel anyway, so I could tie it and the images are right. So I'll swap them with that. But then for that, if I'm changing tyre wheels, and then get another one with 6 cogs. I am a bit drunk. Yeah, so I'll see what I got in the morning, guys. Then after this video, it's a bit bike. Like guys see. Collected that microwave this there. Yeah. And then some of the trucks and their things off. And then I kept on messing about sitting on them then. So I've got that bike on repair, so I'm going to do a video on that. That bike there. That bike's on repair, let's get a video of that. I did that. So yeah, that's it. Gate painted. Missed a bit there, but that's alright. It might wear out at some point anyway when that keeps getting stuck on it. And it's a hot clip. Thank you very much.